Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create a Word document, especially a single page containing some of its portion is a single column and another portion of the single page containing multiple. So click on start button to open the program window of Microsoft Word. Scroll bar and click on Microsoft Word. Here is the program window. So I will generate some text using built-in function, predict function. Type is equal to RAND parenthesis start close and hit enter key. You can see I have generated 3 paragraphs successfully. So now from here on the active cursor, I want to write some more text, but not in single column. I want this text in 3 columns or 2 columns or maybe more columns. So I want 3 columns next to this cursor. So for this purpose we will go to the page layout tab. It's on the tab buttons. Click on page layout and go to page group. You can see different options and different command buttons in this group, but we are only interested in the columns because I want to insert or make more columns. So I want to make 3 columns. Let me choose the 3. Whether it's working or not, click on 3. Let's check. I think it's not working because it's not the correct way to do this. So how can we do this? So here handy concept of section breaks will work for us. So let me undo this, undo the last steps to the undo button on the quick access toolbar and click on it. We will restore the last document. Okay, now I want to write text in the remaining section of this page in 3 columns. So first I will click on the blank section right here. You can see here. I will go to the page layout and access the page setup group. From here I will show again, go to the breaks, and from here you have to go to the section breaks area, which is in the second position. From here I have to choose the continuous section break. Is the type of second type of section break. So I have successfully inserted the section break. If you want to see whether it has been inserted or not, you can confirm from clicking on Home tab and go to the paragraph group. You can see many options in this group, but we are only interested in paragraph sign. Click on the paragraph sign and check. Go to the last paragraph. You can see we have successfully inserted a section break, a continuous section break successfully. So this is the paragraph sign. You can see every end of the every paragraph you can see this sign. So now I will click on the blank area over here. So I want to make 3 columns remaining area of the page. So go to the page layout tab and go to page setup group again and go to the columns, click on it. It will show you different number of columns, and 1 2 3 left, right, and even you can insert more columns. You can change single column into more than 3 columns. So I'm interested in 3rd column, so I will click on column 3, 3rd option, and let me generate some random text here for the purpose of practical. It's the handy function I will use. Is equal and rand and parenthesis start close, press or hit enter key. You can see I have successfully generated text in columns rather than single column. I have generated in multiple columns. Let me erase the last sentences to adjust the text in single page. Okay, so it will be more clear. You can see I have successfully created text in single column in a page, document page, and some portion, next portion of this page containing 3 columns. So dear friends, this was the lesson for today. I hope you enjoy this. So if you want to ask something, please feel free to leave a comment below and we'll happy to get back to you. Please subscribe our channel for more videos, and please press bell icon. Thank you for watching.